Hey, this is Computer Art 720 and I'm Charles, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to embed all kinds of objects from random websites. But first we're going to start with the simple HTML embed. So let's start with the HTML tags. Okay, so we have the HTML, so I can go to any website, why don't I go to GigaCompute 3003. So all I have to do is I have to copy this right here. And then I have to type embed and then src. And then I probably want to add like a width, so I'll do like 50% and a height of 65%. Okay, so this is basically the code. So all I have to do is save it. And I'll just say embed.html. So you have to know HTML for this tutorial. So let's preview it. Here we go. It's kind of small, so here we go. This is basically it. So that's basically the first introduction to this tutorial, and now we're going to go on to embedding random objects. Okay, so now that we have the embed tag in HTML, now what if I saw a really cool div or something on a website that I wanted to put on my website, although you might get sued for the copyright, but let's just go to Sploder. I'm just going to show you how to do it though. So if I just copy this. So, okay, so now that we're on Sploder, let's say I wanted to put this menu bar on this site right here. Then I could just highlight it and then right click. So now I'm going to go to view selection source. And then I'll just copy this right here. Now copy it because this is the HTML code for this menu bar right here, and then I could just paste it in. So let's refresh. Okay, it came here, but the problem is there's no styles. So let's go back into the HTML. I'm gonna so because I only viewed the selection source, it didn't show the style, the URL for the style, so I'm just going to show the entire source for the entire website. And I think it's this one right here. This style right here that you should see should contain the menu bar style. So now like anytime you're gonna you're gonna have to link the style sheet. So let's type like any other style sheet in HTML. Now let's refresh. Okay, it's here, but it's giving us there's a lot of their style and everything. We don't really want this background right here. So simply I go to the body and then a style just for the body, and then I'll do background and then just make it white, FFF for white. And then so this is called top nav, so I'm gonna I'm gonna make a style for this, and then I'll do a float left margin 15 pixels. So let's save it, refresh. Okay, it's still at the right though. I'm not really sure why that's going on. I'll just do div class equals menu, then close it right here. And rename this to menu. Now let's refresh. Okay, here we go. So basically this is all my HTML, but I took their menu bar and embedded it right to the site. So I'll just go over this one more time because I was kind of stuttering about it. So first, you need to get only the code, only the HTML code by viewing the source, and then paste into your HTML. And then you also have to link their style sheet that they have, that is probably right here in the head section, because the style sheets, external style sheets, should be placed in the head section. Then basically just put in, and then you can customize it the way you want. So this might be confusing. So like on some of the 3003 services, or I'll have a link or something to a site that offers the code and more specific instructions on doing this. So thanks for watching. Yeah, I'll see you next time.